The Lazy Man's Way to Riches by Richard G. Nixon. This book that help you most are those which make you think the most. Success is best defined by one's own achievements, which may include excellent mental health, physical health, loving relationship with both family members and friends, spiritual fulfillment, self-actualization, material wealth, and peace of mind. A man only learns in two ways, one by reading and other by association with smarter people. The power of believing in your purpose or vision is at the core of performance, achievement, and riches. Your beliefs create your reality. Purpose is the primary course necessary for growth and progress throughout your life. It is important to trust your own inner voice, your own integrity, to be dependent upon only yourself, and to be honest with yourself. You have the right to grow. You have the option to grow. You can allow yourself to grow. You can encourage yourself to grow. A fine quotation is a diamond in the hand of a man of wit, and a pebble in the hand of fool. The man who makes no mistakes does not usually make anything. In the case of good books, the point is not how many of them you can get through, but rather how many can get through to you. There are two kinds of success. One is the very rare kind that comes to the man who has the power to do what no one else has the power to do. That is genius. But the average man who wins what we call success is not a genius. He is a man who has merely the ordinary qualities that he shares with his fellows, but who has developed those ordinary qualities to a more than ordinary degree. If riches mean health, you can improve your health with the teaching of this book. If riches mean having better relationship, this book can bring you those riches. If your idea of riches is getting out of poverty, this book can show you how to attain the wealth you want. Success follows doing what you want to do. There is no other way to successful. Set the goals that were beyond your wildest dreams. Give me a stock clerk with a goal, and I will give you a man who will make history. Give me a man without goal, and I will give you a stock clerk. There is only one success: to be able to spend your life in your own way. The man who creates a new and important invention often starts with mere imagination, a dream. To accomplish great things, we must not only act but also dream. Not only dream but also believe. When you eliminate all the doubts, your goal is accomplished almost without effort. This is why we call it the lazy man's ways to riches. Life consists in what a man is thinking of all day. Believe that life is worth living, and your belief will help create the fact. Being a skeptic is like playing defense. You never get to score. No man-made calculator or computer even begins to approach the complexity or efficiency of the human mind. Great works are performed not by strength but by perseverance. Circumstances. What are circumstances? I make circumstances. Napoleon Bonaparte. Destiny is not a matter of chance. It is a matter of choice. It's not a thing to be waited for. It is a thing to be achieved. When we cannot dream any longer, we die. It is not the mountain we conquer, but ourselves. Progress is impossible without change, and those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything. George Bernard Shaw. Feelings of inferiority and superiority are the same. They both come from fear. Where fear is present, happiness is not. Some men succeed because they are destined to, but most men because they are determined to. You can do 3 powerful tools: daily declaration, creative self-awareness, and super suggestion or auto-suggestion. or affirmations. Everybody forgets the basic thing. People are not going to love you unless you love them. Never lose sight of the fact that the most important yardstick of your success will be how you treat other people, your family, friends, and co workers, and even strangers you meet along the way. Stretch your imagination. It is a muscle and it develops with use.